Charity 19. I had a thought which I wanted to share. Muslims often claim that due to their busy lives, they do not find time to perform voluntary righteous deeds, or even gain further knowledge on Islam. In cases like this, a Muslim should strive to donate as much charity as possible, as this righteous deed does not take much time, and it is a huge branch of faith. There are countless virtues of donating charity which have been mentioned in the Holy Quran, and the narrations of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. For example, the generous person is close to Allah, the Exalted, close to people, close to paradise and far from hell. Whereas the stingy person is close to hell, far from Allah, the Exalted, far from people and far from paradise. This has been advised in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 1961. In addition, as long as a Muslim benefits others through their charity, even if they are preoccupied with worldly things, Allah, the Exalted, will continue helping them. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 225. This help from Allah, the Exalted, will extend to every aspect of one's life and in both worlds. It is important to note this charity does not need to be a huge amount of wealth. One should strive to give regularly and according to their means, even if it is small in amount, as Allah, the Exalted, does not observe quantity but quality. In addition, these narrations and others do not declare that the charity has to be a great amount either. To conclude, ideally a Muslim should make time in order to fulfill all the different branches of faith. But if they are too preoccupied with the material world, they should at least fulfill this important branch with the obligatory duties, hoping through it Allah, the Exalted, will grant them salvation on the last day. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.